Hi everyone, want your videos feel more immersive and realistic? Today I'll show you how to automatically add natural background sounds in Nim.video to boost viewer engagement. Let's get started. First, log into the Nim.video, then open or create a new project using a template or custom prompt. Then, once you're in the editor, click the audio settings in the left panel and choose the Add Background Audio. In the library audio, you can navigate to the ambient nature category. You'll find a wide selection including a rainfall, forest ambience, social, ocean, waves, campfire, cracklings, and more. You can also layer multiple sounds and add realism. Then make it effortless. Turn on the auto sync to visuals. Then the Nim video will match the sound intensity and transition to your video scenes. Perfect for travel vlogs, nature content, and more. And that's it. You can fine tune the volume and fade in, fade out to keep natural sounds in the background without overpowering narration or music. Then click preview and export to download or share with your finished products. And that's how easy it is to add a natural sound to your name video creation automatically. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.